Right, here's a quick update on my AR build, or AR semi build, whatever you want to call it, because I didn't really build the upper. I just decided to buy a fully assembled upper to make it easier for me, since I really don't have, the right tools. But anyways, so here it is. It's a Palmetto State Armory upper with the Mid Industries rail, and just your standard A2 flash hider. I think that's the birdcage one, I'm not sure, but that's gonna be replaced. Still has its zip ties and all that. There's the bolt carrier group right there. It's a full auto bolt carrier group, and just your standard, it's a little blemish there. No, that's okay. Got a really good price. I didn't buy this from Palmetto State, so bought this from a local hobbyist. And came with the the rails and some screws and Loctite. And my magazines. My lower. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this video and slap them on together. So here it is. Ooh, so excited. That's what it looks like. Just videotaping this on my bed right now. Come on, autofocus. That's what she looks like, you guys. Now I just need sights. But pretty much, it's ready to go, and oh man, I'm so happy. And it fits really tight on my my Arrow Precision lower. There's no wobble, like none. And I have this AccuWedge, and I thought I was gonna need it, so I'm not sure if it's common to just a slight wobble, but not like really bad. But it's not bad at all. Keep repeating myself. But yeah, I'm happy it's done. I just need sights now. And don't worry, it's not not loaded. I'll probably make another video, better quality. But for now, I just wanted to share this with whoever's following me or watching my videos, or my updates. But yeah, thank you for watching.